So you want to automate your trading on Binance Futures. Here's exactly how you can set it up. First, make sure you actually understand futures. They are risk, so don't just throw your whole balance in. Keep your risk small. Now, log into Binance, head over to the futures section and look for Trading Bots tab. Binance has built-in bots now. Grid bots, DCA bots, and future strategy bots, so you don't even need third-party tools if you don't want to. For beginners, start with the grid bot. Pick a trading pair like BTC, USDT, set your price range and decide how many grids, basically how many buy and sell orders. The bot will automatically buy low, sell high, and repeat within that range. If you want something more advanced, you can use third-party tools like 3 Commas or Pionex. Just connect your Binance account with an API key, make sure you disable withdrawal rights for safety. From there, you can create strategy like DCA entries, stop losses, and take profit rules, and let the bot run while you monitor results. And remember, automation helps, but it's not magic. Always test with a small amount first before scaling up. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.